Okay. First one is functional transformations. Important for J. Okay. So functional transformation, right? Students, here the thing is you have to remember 4 to 5. So f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. For what function which satisfy f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y? When we take f of x is equal to, yes, when I take f of x is equal to, anyone? Exponential function like a power x. I want to take as a power x. A power x means it may be 2 power x, 3 power x, whatever it is. Okay, just a second, students. Sometimes there is calling. Yeah, dear student, one small announcement. Like after lunch, actually we have maths, am I right? First period after
Yes.
lunch. So instead of maths, physics is there. Instead of physics, maths. So sixth period is physics and seventh period is mathematics. Okay.
Okay.
So f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y when f of x is equal to a power x. You can see here a power x into a power y is equal to, shall we write a power x plus y? Yes, we can write. And also, second one, f of x y is equal to f of x plus f of y. So for what function which satisfy this condition? Yes, yes, we can say very easily, like if I take log x, see here, whether log x should be satisfy this condition or not. Take log xy. If I take log xy here, log xy, log ab formula, shall we write log a plus log b? Yes. So f of xy is equal to f of x plus f of x y can be satisfied by f of x is equal to log x. Then third one. Any other property like f of x into f of 1 by x is equal to f of f plus f of 1 by x. So product should be equal to addition. Different. So here f of x is equal to 1 minus x power n. 1 minus x power n can satisfy this property. Even you can take as f of x, f of 1 by x becomes 1 minus 1 by x whole power n. So you can take LHS, you can find the LHS value, find the RHS value. Surely we'll get LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Am I right? Okay. Right. Then any other means since we know that here clearly fourth one also we can take like same f of x by y is equal to f of x minus f of y. This is not important, but anyhow remember that Here also same, what is the function in this case? Minus f of x must be equal to again log x. Yes or no, students? Yes. So remember these functions. Okay, two more functions are there, but we cannot write directly. With the help of simplifying, we'll get those. Okay, next. Let us go for the problems here. I think yesterday we done question number 41. Am I right? So we should take here f of x not equal to 1. Then this will becomes opposite sign. If we, in second case, if we take f of y equal to 1, then f of z not equal to 2, f of x not equal to 1. Like that we have done one or two, once or twice you can practice, you can easily understood. Okay. If I consider here, the question is following statement is correct. Exactly one. If I take this is correct, remaining two will be wrong. If I take this is correct, remaining two will be wrong. Like that. In that case, finally, f inverse of 1 we got as y. Next, question number 42. Important. So they define from 1 to infinity to 1 to infinity. Domain will be 1 to infinity, and the range will be 1 to infinity. So the function clearly they given as 2 power x into x minus 1. Then we need to find inverse of given function. Inverse of given function. So what is the given function here? Given function here, question 42. F of x is clearly equal to 2 to the power of x into x minus 1. They define domain is very important here. From all the questions in JEE, what is the domain is given, what is the range is given. Okay, fine. So here I said very clearly how we done onto condition, students. Onto condition, I clearly told you in NCERT while doing NCERT problem, whatever the function is given that you can equate into y. If the function they are given 2 power x into x minus 1, this equating to y. So now you can find the x value in terms of y. Yes or no? F of x equating to y means, which implies x is equal to what? F inverse of y. That's it. This is the inverse function. So 2 power x into x minus 1 equating to y. Now, whenever we want to find x value here, apply logarithmic on both sides. When you take log on both sides, log on both sides, log 2 power x into x minus 1 should be equal to log y. Here I'm asking one question to you. What is the base we need to take here? Anyone? See, this is LHS in the form of, okay, log a power m. This is a, this is m. Log a power m is m log a. Okay, so m log a can be written as x into x minus 1 means x into x minus 1 into log 2 is clearly equal to log y. Do you understand what is the question I asked? What is the base we need to take here? Base. Anyone? For what base will get this log 2 value is 1? To find the x value,
10.
Base 2. Otherwise, you know, sometimes you should not take 10. Base 2, you should take base 2, then we'll get directly. Otherwise, sometimes you we can't say whether basis. So log 2 nothing but basis e will be there. Basis e. Okay. So then multiply these two, x square minus x. This log 2 you can cross multiply. Then log y by log 2 will give. Since we know that log a by log b can be written as log a base b. Log a base b, right? When you take base 2, you know, it directly it will become 1. Log 2 base 2, it is 1. Or directly it will get log by base 2. Otherwise, if you take log 2 cross multiply, Again we'll get the same log x square minus x. This is equal to what? Log y base 2. Same answer. Same we'll get. Okay, this log y base 2 you can take left side, that is log y. Simply can write log y base 2 also equal to 0. I'm taking this log y left side, we got this equation. This is a quadratic equation. Here we need to find x value. It is clearly quadratic. What is a? If you comparing with ax square bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c, a value is 1, b value is -1, c value is minus log y base 2. Okay, so we cannot apply any factorization method. So what to do? Quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula to find the solution of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0? Minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So you should be remember this. Okay, whether you don't know that factorization method or any other methods, you should go through this formula. Minus b plus or minus b square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, here we know that a b c value, substitute directly. So finally x is equal to minus b, minus of -1 plus or minus root of b square minus 1 whole square minus 4a. A value is 1. What is c value? Minus log y all divided by 2a. That's it. So now x is equal to minus into minus plus 1 plus or minus root over 1 minus into minus plus 4 log y, 4 log y, okay, base 2 alone, then by 2. Okay, student, now if you observe here, x are having 2 values. What are the x values? 2 values. 1 plus the square root of 1 plus 4 log y all divided by 2. And another one is x is equal to 1 minus square root of 1 plus 4 log y base 2 all divided by 2. See, if you think that easier, both the answers are correct. What is the correct answer now? We got plus or minus. What is the right answer, student? Yes, we got 1 by, if you take 1 by 2 is outside, 1 plus or minus root over 4, 1 plus 4 log x base 2 we got. Right, at last if we write in terms of x, this is f inverse of y values. We found that x nothing but f inverse of y. This is also we can write f inverse of y. But in place of y, if we replace that, we are going to get f inverse of x. So when you replace the left side is x, right side also you can write it as 1 by 2, 1 plus square root of 1 plus 4 log x. Another root is 1 by 2 times of 1 minus square root of 1 plus 4 log x. Anyone, plus or minus we got. What is the correct answer? Shall I take here? Fourth option is correct. Anyone? Fourth option. Yes. Nitin. Adav.
Sir.
Yeah, is there fourth option is right? We got plus or minus. When you see here, when you take 1 plus, means more than one value. When you take 1 minus, when I take 1 minus, it is lesser than 1. Lesser than 1 minus the second root is clearly 1 minus of this value. When you simplify this, we are going to get lesser than 1. This value, second root value is lesser than 1. But what is the output they given? What is the output? 1 to infinity. What is input? 1 to infinity. The value should be more than 1, but the second root they are getting lesser than 1, this minus value. So that this is not correct. The second option is correct. See here. 1 plus the square root of this means this is more than 1 you will get surely for any value of x. Error. X can take the value is greater than 0. No? For any value of x, it will be greater than 1 will get. Fine, students. So option 2 is correct. Next, functional transformation. Clearly, we discussed a few functional transformation. So try to remember that. So in this case, what is the function, student? Anyone? F of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to f of x into f of 1 by x. I have given some formula. What is that? What is the function which satisfies this condition? Just now I have written that. Yeah, let's see it. What is the function?
So f of x equal to 1 minus x square.
Okay. Let us see now whether it is satisfying the. Yeah. See here, 1 minus x power n. See, we can derivative also. We can derive that the function is 1 minus x power n by giving some values. So here when you this is LHS, you know, when you replace x by again 1 by x, like that some procedure will be there to prove f of x as 1 minus x power n. That is not required. Okay, see here, this is satisfied by this function. You can take here, substitute here. Surely you are going to get LHS equal to RHS. Once you can check it, LHS, f of x plus f of 1 by x. F of x is clearly 1 minus x power n plus f of 1 by x is replace 1 by x whole power n. So 1 plus 1 here, 2 minus x power n minus 1 by x power n. Right, in the same way multiply f of x into f of 1 by x. So 1 minus x power n into 1 minus 1 by x power n. Multiply these two, you are going to get again same. Because you know 1 into 1 1 minus 1 by x power n into minus 1 minus x power n x minus x power minus into minus plus x power n into 1 by x power n get cancelled. 1 plus 1 2 you will get x power n, we got 1 by x power n. So clearly LHS equal to RHS when we take the function 1 minus x power n. So f of 2 value is given already. Is f of 2 is satisfying this condition? If I take here in this question number 43, f of x I am taking as according to the given question 1 minus x power n. Clearly they given f of 2 value is minus 7. So why they given these conditions? To check that function whether the given function is correct or not. See here, student, f of 2 here 1 minus 2 power n. Okay, for what value of n it will be correct amount? For what value of
3.
When n is equal to 3 alone. Okay, from the given condition we got n value. But what is the question they are asking?
F of 3.
Okay, f of 3 value shall I write 1 minus 3 power n? Yeah, 1 minus 3 power n. N value already you got. You got the n value. Substitute n value here. So this is equal to 1 minus 3 power 3. That is 1 minus 27. That is 1 minus 27 is minus 26. Minus 26 is the right answer. Here the thing is, you must be remember the function. Okay, this function only satisfies this condition. Right. We can take two different functions. Actually, 1 minus x power n, or else you can take 1 minus 1 by x whole power n also satisfy that condition. But it's better to take this. That's enough. But this is always for every x value, right? Fine. Then next question is 44. 44. This question is They define from R to R, and for what function, for which of the following functions satisfy this condition? Just option verification. Just option verification. Nothing to do. F of x is given x plus 1 by 2. From that you can write f of y. F of x is x plus 1 by 2. If I take first option, f of y is y plus 1 by 2. F of xy is xy plus 1 by 2. Now when you multiply this f of x into f of y here, are you going to get f of xy? Multiply here. What is f of x? X plus 1 by 2. What is f of y? Y plus 1 by 2. Simplify this. Right side must be xy plus 1 by 2. Okay. Here xy okay. But x by 2 plus y by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Is it equal to xy plus 1? Is there both will be equal? No. First condition is wrong. Second condition, also by 2 is there. Here by 2 is there. It mostly when you having by 2, it won't be satisfied. Because again, we'll get by 4 like that. But when you see your fourth option, okay, when I see the fourth option, function f of x, they given as x plus 1. Then f of y becomes y plus 1. Then f of xy becomes xy plus 1. Okay, I want to take a left side value. That is, what is the value I need to take here? F of x into f of y. F of x into f of y. Actually, this is one of the property. This is one of the property. Is equal to x plus 1 to y plus 1. So write multiplier x into y, xy plus x plus y. Okay. Okay. So it is not. Okay, right. Like plus 1. Am I right? This is f of x into f of y. What is f of xy value? Xy plus 1. Now you can find this f of x plus f of y minus f of xy. Subtract this from this. Yes. When I subtracting here from this here minus, solving these two. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Solve this. F of x, f of y minus f of xy is equal to xy get cancelled. Remaining value 1 get cancelled. Remaining value is equal to x plus y. That's it. We got the answer. So f of x into f of y minus f of xy is equal to, you got x plus y for fourth option. You can take any other, we don't get that. Once you can check it. Because here we are getting x by 2, y by 2 like that. So if you take first option, I think so you are going to get some x by 2, y by 2. Here x by 4, y by 4, something will get, okay? We don't get equal. Like that, you can option verification you can do. So what is the function which satisfies this condition, Amma? This is also like one of the property I am going to write here. Here, 5 property again. The same you can write sixth one also. Fifth one. F of x, f of y is equal to f of xy plus x plus y is satisfied by when f of x is equal to x plus 1. Like that you have to remember. Okay. That is one of the property. Okay, next. Coming to the next question. Question number 45. summation. We'll do it fast now. K is equal to 1 to n. F of a plus k is equal to right side 16 to power n minus 1 and f of x, yeah, and f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y, and f of 1 is equal to 2. Then the interval value of a, they are asking the value of small a. Then what is the small a value? Small a is equal to 1. With the help of this, just now I have written here. Student, can you tell me that what is the function which satisfies this condition? F of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. Yes. Anyone? A power x. A power x can satisfy this condition. Okay. So, but here, when I substitute a given condition, f of 1 is equal to 2. F of 1 is equal to means a power 1 is equal to 2. Then what is the a value we got here? No. Here, this a is, both will be different. I written in general form. Otherwise, you can take that instead of a power x exponential function, you can take that k power x. You may not be confused because here they are asking small a value. Again, if I take a power x, you might be confused. Exponential function alone satisfied. So k power 1. So which implies what is the k value? K value is equal to 2. So nothing but here the function is 2 power x. The required function is 2 power x. How can you say that the required function is 2 power x? Very simple. If you want to prove, if you want, sir, sometimes we cannot remember. So is there any derivative part? Yes. For every functional part, we can easily derive. See here, I'm taking this as equation 1. In that equation, I want to substitute x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. What is the left side? F of 0 will get. Right side, f of 0 into f of 0. F of 0 into f of 0. So that f of 0 is equal to f of 0, the whole square. One square get cancelled. What is the f of 0 you got? F of 0 value you got as 1. Okay, I'm proving that whether f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of xy, then the function is k power x. How can we consider k power x? That I'm going to prove in here. Okay, then next, I want to substitute x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0 in above equation 1. Left side is f of x plus y, nothing but f of 1 plus 0. Right side f of x into f of y. F of x value 1, y value 0. So f of 0. So f of 1 is equal to, students here, okay, you're not required to find f of 1 because f of 1 value already given, student. In the question itself, they given f of 1 that is equal to 2. Okay, not required to substitute here. Substitute x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. That is better. Because f of 1 value already given. Okay, y value 1. So f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. So what is the left side value, students? 1 plus 1, it will become 2. F of 2 is equal to, here f of 1 into f of 1, f of 1 whole square. F of 1 value already given. What is f of 1 value is given here? 2. 2 square. 2 square. So f of 2 value you got as 2 square, and f of 1 value, see here f of 0 value we got 1, 1 can be expressed as 2 power 0. F of 1 value already they given 2, 2 can be written as 2 power 1. F of 2 value we got as 4, that is we can write as 2 square, and like that even you can find take x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So f of 2 plus 1 is equal to f of 2 into f of 1. F of 2 value we got as 2 square, and f of 1 value already they given 2. Finally we got 2 cube. So f of 3 value is what? We got 2 cube. So that what is f of x then? When I give 3, 2 power 3. When I give input to 2 power 2, 2 is fixed. Then f of x shall I write 2 power x? Yes or no? Not only this, even above question also we can prove like this by substituting some x value and y value. We have done, no, I'm taking f of x directly 1 by 1 minus x power n, when f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to f of x into f of 1 by x. You can prove that one also by substituting x value is 1 over there. So like that, finally I proved that the function is 2 power x instead of writing directly. But in OBT you should write directly with help of given condition. Okay, 2 power x we got. So f of x is equal to 2 power x, and the given condition here. With the help of this condition, can I write this summation like this? Can I apply this property here? Can I write here this is summation k is equal to 1 to n f of, if I apply this property, f of a into f of k. F of x plus y is equal to f of x, f of y is given. I applied that property, I got the summation like this. That is clearly equal to 16 into 2 power n minus 1 is given. So finally here we got summation, students, summation k is equal to 1 to n. Here f of a, f of k is equal to 16 times of 2 power n minus 1 we got. Now f of x, clearly we know that 2 power x. So f of a value is 2 power a, and f of k value is 2 power k. It is equal to 16 into 2 power n minus 1. So here summation is belongs to k values. Summation is belongs to k value. Can I take 2 power a is outside? It is belongs to k. Now k is equal to 1 to n, 2 power k is equal to right side is as it is. Now I want to expand this 2 power a and substitute k is equal to 1. You get 2 power 1, 2. K is equal to 2, 2 square. K is equal to 3, so on, 2 power n finally. This is equal to 16, 2 power n minus 1. Yeah, what about this sum? It is a geometric progression. Am I right? 2. Common ratio is r is equal to 2. 2 is greater than 1. So what is the formula? Yes. Sn is equal to, formula is a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1 when r is greater than 1. Yes, apply this formula. So here we got 2 power a into a value is 2, first term is 2, 2 into 2 power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is clearly equal to, right side is 16. What is the right side value? 16 into 2 power 16 into 2 power n minus 1. Okay, can I cancel here? Can I cancel here 2 power n minus 1, 2 power n minus 1? Yes, students. Here shall I cancel 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 eights are. Then what is the remaining value? Remaining value left side is only 2 power 8. Denominator 2 minus 1 is 1 only. 2 power 8, a is equal to 8. 8 can be written as 2 cube. 2 cube. So finally a is equal to 3. So which is the option is correct? Is there any 3? Yeah, first option. What I have done here, this property I applied here. This can be written as f of a into f of k. F of function value from this condition 2 power x is got. Here f of a is 2 power a, f of k is 2 power k, 2a you can take outside, so 2a in 2 power a into summation of this. You can expand that to 2 power k will get k is equal to 1 to n, expand this, so 2 power a into, here we get 2 power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1, that is equal to right side already given 16 into 2 power n minus 1, this get cancelled, 2 minus 1 is 1, and comparing here on both side here, 2 power here, two bases are equal, you can add the power also, 2 power a plus 1 is equal to 2 power 4, a plus 1 is equal to 4, a is equal to 3, like that you can do in with short time. Okay, this is the last question. Here with the help of the given condition, we have to find f of 2a minus x. So this is easy, like again we can derive the function. First, what is f of x? If you know the f of x, okay, we can easily find 2a minus x, am I right? But what is f of x? What is the function which satisfying this condition? Fine. Okay, students,